Forosracos roamed South America about 62 million years ago, until the mid-Pleistocene about 1.3 million years ago. An adult Farosakos reached 2.5 meters, about 8 feet in height, and weighed 150 kilograms, 330 pounds on average. It had a large head and a bulky beak flattened on the sides. The end of the beak had the shape of a large hook. The ancient bird leaned on powerful legs with large claws on its toes. These details unambiguously indicate the predatory mode of life of these birds. Thanks to their long, muscular legs, Borosocos were able to stalk and chase their prey long and efficiently. They were key predators in South America during its long geographic isolation. About 2.7 million years ago, North and South America united. The faunas of the continents began to blend, and the Farosakos gained competitors. The invaders were stronger, so the local predators lost to them, and gradually became extinct. One of the Farosakos, Titan's Wallery, tried to escape. This species made it to North America on foot, but even there a cruel fate befell it. The remains of this species were found in the south of the USA. Today, Farosakos is of interest not only as a bird that lived millions of years ago. This species is of great value as a result of development in isolation. One must agree that a bird that abandoned flying is an interesting evolutionary experiment. There are still debates about the reasons for this, and they may have a very interesting conclusion. The fact is that natural selection plays a major role in evolution. In a highly simplified form, it works as follows. Features that are useful for survival and reproduction are strengthened, while harmful ones eventually disappear along with their bearers. They simply die out. The main mechanism here is random mutations, due to which features appear or disappear, and natural selection only reinforces the successful version. The role of natural selection in evolution is well known, so the question is, what was wrong with Farosakos? We know for sure that it had no competitors, which would have caused it to give up flying. So why did its wings diminish greatly in the course of evolution? Why did it stop flying? It wasn't easy to find a reason, but it was found. It has to do with the behavior of these huge birds. They didn't need to fly to find food, to reproduce effectively. They didn't want to fly just to admire the terrain from above. Flying may be a pleasant activity, but it is very energy-consuming and potentially risky. The last two arguments were decisive and gradually led to the Farosakos to give up flying completely. The wings of the Farosakos remained, but gradually shrank to a size useful in an exclusively terrestrial life. Natural selection, of course, did not disappear. It helped the flightless bird to get powerful legs and other features that allowed it to excel without flying. Farosakos became extinct around the middle of the Pleistocene, about 1.3 million years ago. Their closest present-day relatives are cerimas, two species of land birds of prey in South America. Their long, slim legs are only a faint echo of the former glory of their mighty ancestor. The biography of Forosracos tells us that after the dinosaurs, the birds managed to adapt to a purely terrestrial life.